Return on investment. Return on investment, also known as ROI, is the percentage of income generated from a project over the cost of implementing the project. The formula to calculate ROI is net profit divided by total investment times 100. Return on investment describes the ratio of a profit or loss in relation to a particular investment. Calculating the ROI is helpful as it helps you understand exactly how much profit or loss your investment earned, and if it would be smart to repeat that investment in the future. ROI can be used to evaluate almost any type of expenditure, including advertising, renovations, hiring, and more. For example, Jerry flips houses by renovating them and then selling them for a higher price than he paid. Jerry intentionally seeks homes that are priced at a lower amount. That way, when he sells the house after fixing it up, he can make a bigger return on investment. Jerry's latest project is a single-family home that he purchased for $130,000. After upgrading the kitchen, bathrooms, and carpet throughout the house, Jerry calculated that he spent $20,000 total on renovations. After the renovations were complete, Jerry listed the house and sold it for $200,000. To determine his return on investment, Jerry takes the net profit of $50,000, divides that by his total investment of $150,000, and then takes the sum and multiplies that by 100. This sum of 33% is his ROI.